reload album. All I want for Christmas is my reload album. And everyone to stay away from me.
Oh, that's a trick one. I can imagine what it is.
What?
Good thing I brought my batteries.
All of it takes batteries
I
now.
know what y'all done to me. I'm not going to show it on that camera. Jamie, I know you.
Is it wrapped up?
I know you and Ray. Oh my God! I'm gonna kill you all.
Did Donna see it?
No, she don't want to see.
Show it on cam. What is that?
Yeah.